Hello students, now we are going to discuss some important physical properties of group 14 elements, that is carbon family. Already we have discussed the physical and chemical properties of group 13 and group family. We will now discuss the properties and also will compare the properties with group 13. Okay, almost the properties similar. We have to just remember the tricks, what are the causes in variations. Okay, let us start this first, that is physical state. Physical state, all are that elements are carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. All are in solid state. All are available in solid states. This is the important that physical state, that all are in solid state. Then metallic and non-metallic characters. Metallic and non-metallic nature. Here carbon and silicon generally non-metals. These non-metals, but sometimes silicon also considered as a metallites. You can remember also it is non-metals. And your germanium is metallites. And your tin and lead both metals. So these are the metallic and non-metallic characters of the elements in this group. Then atomic size. Atomic size generally that increasing order. If you see carbon, less than silicon, less than germanium, less than tin, less than lead. This is the order. But the size difference between the last two, tin and lead, is very small, but carbon silicon size difference is much more. So this is the atomic size order. Why the size, generally common concept, why size increases? Due to decreasing effective nuclear charge and increasing screening effect from carbon to lead. So this is the concept of increasing atomic size. Then electronic configuration. You see electronic configuration. The general electronic configuration is NS2 NP2. NS2 NP2. That is 4 electron in valence cell. Valence cell contain valency cell contain 4 electrons. Main unit contains 4 electrons in outermost cell. If you write carbon 6, configuration is helium 2, 2s2, 2p2, then silicon 14, configuration is neon 10, that 3s2, 3p2, germanium, that it will be 32, can written as argon 18, 3b10, 4s2, 4p2, carbon germanium 10, that is 50, which can be written as, it is 32, that is argon krypton 36, then 4d10, 5s2, 5p2, then carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead, Pb is 82, can be written as xenon 36, 54, xenon 54, and 4f14, 5d10, 6s2, 6p2. This is the configuration. But one thing I have forget to tell here, if atomic size, if you compare, group, remember, group 14 is smaller size than group 13. Size is smaller due to more effective nuclear charge. The effective nuclear charge in case of group 14 is more than the group 13. That's why size of group 14 is less than group 13. So this is the electronic configuration and valence shell electrons and general electronic configuration. Okay, you see the deviation in lead case and also in case of germanium. In the germanium, V subshell starts. In case of lead, F subshell starts. This is electronic configuration, atomic size. Then next one, ionization energy. Ionization energy, if you compare, group 14 is greater than group 13 due to more increasing more effective nuclear charge and also decreasing size. Group 14 has higher ionization energy than group 13. Generally, the I1, IE1 plus IE2 plus IE3 plus IE4 generally higher than, greater than, very high compared to group 13. Summation of higher, that this 4 ionization energy of group 14 is very high. Generally, they do not lose these 4 electrons. That's why they form covalent compound. So ionization energy order is that carbon greater than silicon, then germanium, then tin, then lead. This is the order. Ionization energy, carbon is maximum due to small size. Due to small size of carbon, it has highest ionization energy. Ionization energy decreases from carbon to lead due to increasing size. But the difference is somewhat, the difference between tin and lead is less. But from carbon to lead generally decreasing order due to increasing size. This is regarding ionization energy. Electronegativity. Electronegativity, as they are non-metal, some are non-metal, so there is also electronegativity. Electronegativity as per the Pauli scale is carbon highest. Carbon greater than silicon, silicon almost equal to germanium, which is equal to tin, but tin is less than Pb. This is the difference. Carbon, the electronegativity value. Carbon is greater than silicon. And if you see the comparative value, electronegative value, that is 2.5, this is 2.5, this is your 1.8, and this is 1.9 as per the Pauli scales. The electronegativity value carbon due to small size has maximum electronegativity, but silicon, germanium, tin almost same. Why they showing the similar size? Due to increase, you can see increasing size and also decreasing shielding effect. Size is no doubt in size, when size generally when size increases, electronegativity decreases. But here increasing size and also affect the pore shielding effect of D subshell. That's why the electronegativity almost is same. Silicon, germanium and tin. This is again electronegativity, then density. Density, if you see, almost if you compare the group 13 also, it is maximum. Group 13 and 14, if you write, group 14 is greater than group 13. Density also same, group 14 greater than group 13. density, and density order is carbon greater than silicon. Silicon is less than here silicon, germanium and tin. Up to tin it is increasing order. Carbon is maximum, then silicon, then germanium, tin and lead. If you see the value, density highest in case of lead. If you see compare with the carbon and the silicon density is just decreased due to here quick bonding 2.34. That is 2.34. Here increasing order greater than 2.34. So silicon has a low density due to weak bonding. Silicon due to large size, the bonding is weak. That's why weak bonding, intermolecular bonding is weak. That's why density is low. This is regarding density, electronegativity, ionization energy, metallic character, melting and boiling point. We also can discuss melting point. Melting point order is as if you see group 14 greater than group 13. Almost all property of group 14 is greater than group 13 due to small size. And what is the order? Generally decreasing order. Carbon greater than silicon, greater than germanium, greater than tin, but tin is less than Pb. This is the deviation here. Tin is less than Pb. Here Pb has more metallic character, the intermolecular bonding and very close packed structure is produced. In case of lead, the close packed structure is more, the metallic bond strength is more. In case of the lead, that's why strength is more, that's a high melting point. The electrons is tightly bonded by the lead due to low pore sealing effect of F subshell. The outermost electron, the valence electron is tightly bonded by the lead atom. That's why it has high melting point. Okay. But why the melting point of group 14 is greater than group 13? Because the covalence of group 14 is more. Number of covalence is more. That's why melting point is more. This is the difference. Melting point and boiling point order is boiling point is that carbon decreasing order. So carbon greater than silicon, greater than germanium, greater than tin, greater than lead. The boiling point of lead is least due to why decreases due to large size. If here bonding is weak compared to carbon due to small size, higher covalency, here it depends on valency. Carbon compared to lead, the covalence of carbon is more. The covalent bond formation nature of carbon is more, and carbon very strong bond is produced. That's the boiling point of carbon is. And as the covalent substance, covalent compounds, covalent solids are formed, carbon. That's why the bonding is very strong bonding. That's why high boiling point. But the lead is due to large size, the bonding is weak. That's why low boiling point. This is the difference between carbon and the lead. Then oxidation states. These are very important properties. Oxidation states. Oxidation states, if you discuss, generally they shows +4 and +2 state. They cannot show a -4 or free +4 and free -4 is not possible, because it is not energetical. It is not possible to accept 4 electron or to donate 4 electron from the atom, because electron affinity also low and ionization energy also very high. That's why +4 state and -4 state free state is not possible, but it can form covalent bond. So oxidation state +4 +2 is possible. But similarly group 13, +4 state stability decreases, and +2 stability increases due to inert pair effect. Due to inert pair effect. Already we have discussed this thing. Down the group, inert pair effect increases. That's why you can say that PB plus 2 is more stable than PB plus 4. And that's why PB plus 4 acts as, like similarly in group 13, PB plus 4 acts as oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent. Best, PB plus 4 acts as oxidizing agent. But SN2 plus acts as reducing agent. SN2 plus acts as a reducing agent because it is converted to SN4 plus, stable. SN4 plus is more stable than SN2 plus. SN4 plus is more stable than SN2 plus, stability. That's why it is a reducing agent, it will be oxidized to SN4 plus, but as it is less stable, PB plus 4, so it will reduce to PB2 plus. When it reduced means acts as oxidizing agent, it is oxidized means it will be reducing agent. So this is a very important concept. And also question may be another thing also of PbCl2 is ionic and PbCl4 is covalent. This thing also very important because as per the stability of oxidation state. So plus 2 is more stable, as plus 2 is more stable, so it is ionic character. The compounds that PbCl2 is ionic and PbCl4 is covalent. Generally, covalent compounds, formation of covalent and ionic compounds. If you compare carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead, this property, that decreasing property, that covalent nature. But decreasing order, and carbon less than silicon, less than germanium, less than tin, less than lead. This is ionic compound, ionic nature. That means the formation to form ionic compound increases carbon to lead, and formation of covalent compound decreases from carbon to lead, because carbon has tendency to form better covalent character because it has tendency to form to involve in sharing of electrons, because due to small size it cannot lose. But on the condition also it forms carbide. Some carbides also ionic character, but we will discuss in the next class regarding the properties of compounds of these group 14s. So these are very important physical behavior of the elements of group 14s and their composition. Okay, thank you all.